most expensive smartphones in the world that billionaires use. We are in a world, or should I say era, where our phones have been one of the most important things in our lives, but do not be surprised that your phone might not even be among the first 10 on the list. Do you know that some phones cost more than $1 million? Shocking, right? We are a highly tech-focused society, and smartphones have almost become commonplace across the world. While it does seem most phones are interchangeable, save for a few operational details here and there are some that are on an entirely different level. Blending design and functionality in truly distinctive ways are some of the most expensive smartphones in the world for discerning tech lovers. Hey viewers, welcome back to Unlimited Money. How are you all? I hope you're all good. So today, I'm back with a new video on the most expensive mobile phones in the world, which most billionaires use. Before starting, share the video with all your friends and subscribe to our channel. Also make sure you press the bell icon to get notifications of our recent updates regularly. So, let's begin! We are starting with the first one, the Vertu Signature Cobra. Vertu, the luxury phone brand reportedly bought by an expelled Turkish businessman, has disclosed a new limited edition feature phone, the Signature Cobra. The new Vertu Signature Cobra limited edition has been launched at an exorbitant $2.47 million and will be available online through a Chinese e-commerce platform. The Vertu Signature Cobra will be available to buy after a down payment of $1,000, after which users will have to pay the rest of the amount up front. At first, the Vertu feature phone will be delivered to consumers by helicopter, which does not seem too surprising considering the price of the handset. Vertu has confirmed that there will only be 8 units of the new Signature Cobra feature phone to be made available all over the world. Giz China reports that there will only be 1 unit available in China. The biggest highlight of the Vertu Signature Cobra feature phone is it has been designed by a France-based jewelry brand, the Bouchouan. Some of the other highlights of the new Vertu phone include the 439 rubies it has contoured in a Cobra design. As the name suggests, the phone features a Cobra design around the front and eyes pack 2 beryl stones. The new Vertu phone is also said to come with some other gems. In terms of design, the new Vertu Signature Cobra closely limited edition follows the design cues of the original Signature phone. According to the Giz China report, the new Vertu phone features 388 dissimilar parts and has been assembled in the UK. The phone is said to be assembled with hands for accuracy. Next is the Goldfish Revolution at $488,150. Yes, you heard that right. The Goldfish Revolution costs $488,150. You might start to wonder how many numbers one will cost. Goldfish Revolution is designed by a Swiss brand, Goldfish, a manufacturer of premium luxury mobile phones. And the phone is made up of pink and white gold diamonds, sapphire, glass display, and the finest of leather. There is also a distinct analog watch by Frédéric Jouvenot. Also, there is one other reason that this is expensive. It's that only 30 of these phones were ever made. It is very limited and highly exclusive. At Basel World 2009 were presented some very interesting luxury phones like the Ulysses Nardin's Chairman and the highly expensive Revolution by the Swiss company Goldfish. It is known for the Le Million, a handset with a hefty price of $1,200,000. The Revolution's not that expensive and has an analog watch with visible moving parts made by Frédéric Jouvenot. The body of the Revolution's covered with an 18-karat pink and white gold and coated with diamonds with a total weight of 29 carats. The manufacturer claims that it uses the latest mobile technology, but recently there was no information about its specifications. Presently, there's no information about the availability, but do not expect to see it at the local IKEA store. Next on our list is the Greso Luxor Las Vegas Jackpot. Goldfish's Le Million piece distinctive is not the only mobile phone with a 7-digit price tag out there anymore. It has just been joined by the Greso Luxor Las Vegas Jackpot, whose price tag is $1 million. Greso is known for its highly expensive handsets, but today the company reached a whole new level by announcing the Luxor Las Vegas Jackpot. And it is a jackpot, all right. That means the phone's priced at $1 million and only 3 units of it will be produced, just like Le Million, which was announced many years ago. What makes it so expensive are the black diamonds covering its front and the 200-year-old African blackwood used for its back. And that 12mm thin frame is made of 180 grams of gold. The Greso Luxor Las Vegas jackpot keypad consists of 17 dynamically polished and laser-etched sapphires weighing 32K. If you cannot afford the Las Vegas jackpot, there's a cheaper alternative that you might want to consider. Enter the second Greso announcement for now, the Greso Luxor Las Vegas. Made of solid gold and some 200-year-old African blackwood, it eliminates all the diamonds and brings the price down to only $20,000. The next is Goldfish Lay Million at $1.3 million. Some mobile devices cost as low as $8 or less, while others are worth millions and millions of dollars. Only the richest can afford the most expensive handsets on Earth. The Goldfish Lay Million is a unique mobile phone made of costly materials that ranked it among the top 10 phones that are heavily valued in the world. Emmanuel Gay is the designer of this luxurious gadget. Emmanuel handcrafted the gadget, which was announced at the Millionaire Fair in Cannes in 2006. It is made out of 18,000 white gold and embedded with 120,000 diamonds. When it comes to weight, the device weighs 350 grams. This phone uses an ultra-modern dynamic TFT display. It was also listed in the Guinness Book of World Records as the most expensive and exclusive mobile gadget in the world. It was sold at 1 million euros during its revealing. Goldfish is basically the manufacturer of high-class luxury mobile gadgets. The brand pursues high-end technology with Swiss artistry. The all-new Goldfish Lay Million is the world's most expensive mobile phone, announced in 2006. Next is the Diamond Crypto smartphone at $1.3 million. The Diamond Crypto smartphone is the 6th most expensive phone in the world right now. It is one of the most secure phones in the world because it is encrypted voice and SMS communication quality that made it very expensive and ranked it as one of the top 10 most expensive in the world. The entire system in the Diamond Crypto smartphone is encrypted, which provides it more security and edges over other phones. As one of the most exorbitant phones in the world, Crypto smartphones are made of 18-karat rose gold. It has a memory of 64 gigabytes RAM with a battery capacity of 1,350 mAh. As of its expensiveness, the Diamond Crypto smartphone has many cryptographic characteristics that helped it rank as one of the top 10 most expensive phones in the world. These include a crypto phone call, encryption processor, crypto SMS, crypto email, encryption button, essential power of 1107, a crypto algorithm with symmetric 256 bits, and a key distribution method. Up next, the iPhone 3G King's Button, $2.5 million. Austrian jeweler Peter Allison is likely hoping there are still some fairly well-off people unaffected by the world's current financial ills, as he has designed the world's most expensive phone, the iPhone 3G King's Button, yours for a scanty $2.5 million and some change. The price on this phone is made of solid 18-karat yellow gold, white gold, and rose gold, with a white gold line embedded, with a total of 138 brilliant cut diamonds. The iPhone's 3G King's Button replaces the iPhone's standard plastic home button with a rare 6.6-karat diamond, making sure that the unit outshines any previous effort, such as the $1.3 million crypto smartphone. While this iPhone 3G King's Button is sure to influence others in the unemployment line, with rumors of an updated iPhone being released this year gaining momentum, anyone on a budget might want to wait and see if the iPhone 3G King's Button makes its way onto eBay. So guys, that's it for today. I hope this video was amazing for you all, and for your views, let us know down in the comments below. Make sure you click the subscribe button to keep up with all of our latest videos, and thanks for watching.